Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. To do this, you will have to open Microsoft Edge and then click on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of your Microsoft page and then click on Settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on Privacy, Search and Services on the left hand side. To your right, you will have to scroll down to the extreme bottom till you find Address Bar and Search. Click on it. Under this, you will have to go ahead and choose the option for search engine used in the address bar from the drop down and choose the respective search engine. In my case, I'm going to change it to Google. Once this is done, you may go ahead and close the Microsoft Edge and relaunch Microsoft Edge. With this, you should be able to change your default search engine from Bing to Google in your Microsoft Edge. This is how you can go ahead and change or make the Google as the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a